What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over my July 2023 dividend income, where I received 8 paychecks. So my current portfolio value is $52,762.27. And that's because it went down $281.48 today. But now moving on to my dividend income, as you can see, on July 3rd, I received $5.24 from ADP. And if we go over there, I have just over $1,000 in ADP, 4.18 shares at an average price of $144.16. And you can see its current price is $248. So that has grown significantly for me. And they have a dividend yield. It's on the lower side of 1.94%. However, the last dividend increase from ADP was 20%. So this is definitely a stock that I love holding on to. Now, if we move on to July 10th, I received 3 dividends, $8.48 from Merc, $22.13 from Altria Group, and then $14.13 from American Tower Corporation, which is a new stock I own. So this puts me at $49.98 for the month. And as you can see, I own just a little bit over $1,000 of Altria. I have 23.54 shares, an average price of $42.17. It's only grown a little bit at 44.3. And then this stock does have a high dividend yield of 8.44%. However, they have decent dividend growth rate as well at around 4 to 5%. So moving on to the next one, I have Merc, which is just over $1,200. I have 11.61 shares, an average price of $73.69. And that one's grown quite a bit too. It's at $105.73 with a pretty decent dividend yield of 2.72%. And I want to say their dividend growth rate is pretty good too, anywhere between, I think 7 to 8% every single year, which is great. 7% dividend growth means that your income is going to double about every 10 years. So now coming up to American Tower Corp. This is a newer stock I own. It's a REIT, and I have almost $1,700, and I have 9 shares. Average price of $215.98, and this stock has gone down quite a bit. It's currently at $185.75. Does have a good dividend yield of 3.23%, and it has great dividend growth. And honestly, I sold some bad REITs to buy this REIT, so I'm not disappointed that it's gone down. It's a high interest rate season. So once interest rates go down in a few years, I believe my REITs will perform very well. So going on to the 14th, I have another REIT, Realty, at $9.59. And that puts me at $59.57 for the month. And if I go to Realty Income, I have just over $2,200 in this stock, 37.52 shares, and an average price of $63.49. This stock has also gone down, although not that much. It's $58.84, and it almost has a 5% dividend yield. And Realty, it's got decent dividend growth. But what I love about this stock, they pay monthly. They have a great yield, starting yield, and they do increase their dividend every year. So this is one of my favorite stocks, and it's my favorite REIT that I own. So next up, on the 17th, I received $14.92 from FRT and $6.98 from Stag, putting me at $81.47 for the month. And if I go to Stag, just over $2,000, 56.95 shares, an average price of $31.83. This one's gone up a little bit, $35.61. This used to be one of my highest performing stocks, but as you can see on this chart, it's gone down recently. However, they also have a great dividend yield of just over 4%. And then moving on to my final dividend of the month, Dollar General, $1.58. And I will tell you my total dividends pretty soon. So I have $451 in this stock, 2.67 shares, at an average price of $207. However, this one looks like it's gone down significantly, $168.84. And it's got a low dividend yield at 1.36%, but they've also had massive dividend growth around the 20% mark. So I guess I need to do some more research on Dollar General. From my initial research, their revenue was growing at a great pace. And I've been to Dollar General a few times this year. Every single time I go, there's a lot of people there and hardly any employees. But I'll definitely be checking out this stock, see if there's anything wrong. But going over to my dividend growth chart, you can see that for the month of July, I earned $83.05, which, it's not that good compared to even the last July in 2022, where I earned $182.21. But to be fair, back in that time period, most of my stocks were not very safe. I own stocks like QYLD, RYLD, NUC, and even Good, which cut their dividend. So all of those stocks cut their dividend by anywhere from 18 to 33% or more. And so now I'm taking a different approach to my stock portfolio, and I want to own stocks, all of my stocks, I want them to increase their dividend, especially my core SCHD. They increase their dividend by 12 to 15% every single year, which means I should get, even at the 12%, I should be getting close to triple dividend income every 10 years. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.